I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pressing and holding the Apple Watch Ultra display. Do it now. That long press opens the face gallery. Once the gallery appears, swipe left or right to preview faces, or tap Customize to edit the one you see. This step matters because faces control complications and glance data. Changing the face updates what you access quickly. Make sure the watch is unlocked and responsive, then proceed to the Add or Edit controls visible at the gallery. Next, add or edit a face. Tap the plus icon to create a new face, or pick an existing one and hit Customize to change elements. Use the digital crown to scroll through styles, colors, and complication slots. When a slot is highlighted, tap it to pick the complication you want. This matters because complications define quick access. Pick battery, activity, or a specific app. Once done, press the screen or tap Done. Then swipe the face into place so it becomes your. Finally, press the display to set the new face as active. Check each complication to confirm it shows live data. If not, give it a moment to refresh. Once set, you can open the Watch app on your iPhone for deeper edits, to reorder faces, or to share your custom face. If the face won't add or changes fail, restart both Watch and iPhone and make sure low power mode is off. Then repeat the add process, which usually clears transient syncing hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.